Hello guys, we're back in this video and we're with Snitchy again. Yay. Wait, did last time we? No, but this is part 2 on Blockcraft. Last time I don't even know if this was made. Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna check out more of your villages. Hold on, my villages, why is it glowing? I swear, if you just randomly give me a new villager, I haven't named it. Yeah, good. Do you ever get that feeling on like Blockcraft where you think that it's a good map, but then it's a bad map? So like this one right here, the artist work here, it's just a whole bunch of the white whole bunch of the white wood just with blue in the middle, you know. Then this one is definitely really good because look at that lake. Oh god, that's, you know, in like Little Planet 3 there's the Great Swamp that's called Mangled Wood. This should be Mangled Wood. This should be the Great Swamp. Look at that. Glorious. I need to go see it. Because if I don't, my whole entire life is pointless. Now I have to do a cannonball in that lake. Cannonball! Oh, yes. Okay, I might not talk much, but that's only because, you know, I'm trying to think. Why, you have a ladder, but why do you use it here? You should use it in your house. I don't have one. That's only because I never got furniture in. Had ents. Hey, I said stop. You both are the same. Did your creator really never really change you to look different, or are you just twins? I'm guessing you're twins. Anyways, I got my lumberjack outfit. I don't care. So, to the moon. I'm only worrying about the fact that people do this cool stuff, but how long does it take them? Like that aeroplane right there, they must have either watched thousands of ads or spend actually days, you know? Like, I would not bother building an aeroplane in the sky. Like, how can you even see it? The only thing I created was a treehouse. I can't steal that present, dang. Oh wait, I forgot to like the last one. Oh, sorry, I like this one to make it up. This place is so colourful. Do you know why this place is so colourful? No? But then I'll eat you later. You'll be my Happy Meal. Yep, I'll just shove you in a Happy Meal and I'll pretend you're my french fries. And then you'll be my meal. This is the only thing that's not colourful in this place. Like look at that lighthouse. That is 3 colours. Everything's so creative. Put that building on the top. Over there, is that big Rubik's Cube? Rubik's Cube. Sorry. Up. Guys, this is a French tip. How you say 10 or 9 in French, you have to say neuf. I don't know which one it is, but I'm pretty sure that neuf. Yeah, neuf is 9 in French, okay? So if anyone is trying to outsmart you and be like, hey dude, if you don't solve my question, then I'll steal your lunch money. You just say, it's neuf. Now I'm going to shoot you with some neuf for threatening me. And they just scream running away. Acting like they didn't just, make you mad. Because you got your Nerf gun. And when it comes to threatening with Nerf guns, it can get bad. So yeah, I just kind of went around the village trying to find the aeroplane. I have not found it. So yeah. Wait, why would we need a building? Second thoughts, I think I'm pretty dumb. Whatever. Oh gosh, this place. Yeah. Last episode there was Billionaire City. And I found something else that should have been Billionaire City in that video. Because it's more richer. Like, if fiddlesticks. Oh god, I'm actually. Oh my god, I can't believe that was the random word that came out my mouth this time. Anyways, like. Wait, what? That has. Oh god, I was just about to say, if you cut the S off of rainbow, it says a really bad word. So if you're watching this video next to your parents, don't read out the village name. It has a bad word if you take away the S off of the rainbow. But then you put the S next to the hat. So yeah, just don't read this village's name, because you take off the S and put it next to the hat, it has a really bad word, okay? I don't want you to get in trouble in front of your mom because you said a bad word really loudly in the house. You know what I'm saying? Are you okay? Are these prickly bushes? I was going to do the Jacksepticeye through, where it goes, what a top of the morning, my laddies. One, my name's Jacksepticeye. Yeah, you get there. Well, I'm going to go in the village because it's not so popular. I want the popular one so everybody knows it. It's only got 17 likes. Oh, Henry, that's got 11k, I'm just gonna say. What? Hold on a minute. This has been less minutes than last time's video of when I talked for like an hour. And this time I walked around a whole entire village for an hour. I'm pretty sure. 9 hours? Oh, neither had an hour because an hour is 60 seconds. 60 seconds is a minute. What is it called? Henry? Oh, it's called that for the creator. Yeah, okay, I get it now. I get it now. So you know what I'm gonna do, right? Nilo. Neil dog. Nilo dog. I meant to misspell that. I did. I meant to misspell it for like fun. Because odd ones out, they spell stuff on purpose sometimes. Okay, now I am Nelio dog. I wish I could just play this. I wish I could just literally just put Vox on, you know, the thing and put the most funniest line that ever happened in this channel. Mr. Buggers. Oh god, it's just too good. You know what this means, right? Oh god. No, I'm not. Oh wait, because I don't have any yet. Don't worry, you can still hear me. I was just staying silent. Oh god, that scared me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I want to get the barracks. That was like a cool castle. None of you have probably bought this because it's actually so trash. Hey, it didn't say Nelio dogs. Hey, you misspelled it. Game. But now I have to build it again because it's the most awesome. We're just gonna put it there. If you know what I'm trying to do right now, yeah, I'm building my own thing. Because it's all the way behind me, but maybe if I do double, the villagers will go in the tree houses more. Because they'll get more used to it because there's so many. Let's just cover that up. This is a really small tree house, but it's kind of worth after building all of this. Because I did spend nearly all of my wood on this. Because this is completely obliterated with just wood and glass. But it's good. Because look at this. Look. It's good because then you have this. Glorious. Where's the next? Oh, I forgot to build the front. I'm super duper dumb. Wait, what? Oh no! I've got to watch an ad, really? I know it's quite kind of boring, just me sitting here, building my own thing, and just talking to you guys. Really, do you really think I'm a fan of Candy Crush? That's a 3 in a row game. Or 2. I'm not a fan of Candy Crush. My mum is though. Like, you can sit there in the cat room, and if she's in the cat room, you can just watch her. Just literally look over her phone and be like, I'm playing Candy Crush. Boy, look at this. Hey, what are you doing? How dare you? Well, I'm going down. I said, hey, how dare you? Because you can't just give me an ad where a man's just zooming himself in front of the camera. I'm trying to do stuff, bruh. You know what's probably a child's, like, actual worst fear? Needles. Yeah. Because Robio, if you put a needle on someone, they turn into an alien. The only good one for them is the suited gel. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Yeah. Because I'm getting quite a lot of views. You guys really like watching my videos while I'm just acting. You know, I was going to plan a video where I explain how I know that my channel is like the baddest one for right now, but you know, I thought I'd probably cry in the video, so yeah, I'm not going to do that anytime soon. I would, but it's probably just going to be me crying, saying it for like the whole entire video, and then the video just ends with just one tear dropped on the tablet. You're probably thinking, what tablet? The tablet I'm playing on right now to play this game, so you can have a great time watching me build. And of course I know, no, that's a trick. That's a trick right there. That's a trick. That is a fiddlesticks trick. Alright. Well, I'll just have to see you guys later. And peace out.